Looking for a smarter, slimmer, and more secure wallet in 2026? Modern smart wallets are going far beyond simply carrying your cards and cash. Many now offer features like RFID protection, quick card access, built-in or compatible tracking, and sleek minimalist designs. But with so many options available, choosing the right smart wallet can be surprisingly difficult. So in this video, we're counting down the 5 best smart wallets for 2026, comparing their design, security features, storage capacity, tracking options, durability, convenience, and overall value. Whether you want a premium everyday carry wallet, a slim minimalist design, or a wallet with smart tracking features, there's an option here for you. So, let's get started and find out which smart wallet deserves the number 1 spot in 2026. Number 5. RUNBOX Wallet for Men. Taking a spot on our list is the RUNBOX 9 to 13 card RFID blocking slim pop-up wallet. A compact minimalist wallet designed for quick access and everyday convenience. Its standout feature is the pop-up card mechanism, which lets you quickly fan out your cards with the press of a button instead of digging through a traditional wallet. The aluminum card holder is designed to keep the profile slim while accommodating multiple cards. Security is another key feature. The wallet uses RFID blocking aluminum construction designed to help shield compatible cards from unauthorized RFID scans. It also includes an ID window and a stretchable cash slot, giving you space for your essential cards and folded bills without adding much bulk. The compact design makes it especially convenient for front pocket carry, while the metal construction gives it a more modern and durable feel than many traditional wallets. And number 4. Travelambo Slim Wallet. Next up is the Travelambo Slim Wallet, a minimalist front pocket wallet designed for people who want everyday essentials without the bulk of a traditional wallet. Its biggest advantage is the ultra-slim 0.12-inch profile, with a compact design measuring around 3.3 by 4.1 inches. It features 6 card slots, giving you space for your most frequently used cards, while keeping the overall design sleek and lightweight. The wallet is made from genuine leather and is designed for both front and back pocket carry. It also includes RFID blocking technology tested for the 13.56 MHz frequency commonly used by credit cards, debit cards, and IDs. Another nice touch is the minimalist layout, which keeps your cards organized and easy to access without adding unnecessary bulk. Just keep in mind that the RFID protection doesn't block every type of RFID signal, including some 142 kHz access or hotel cards. And number 3. Buffway Slim Minimalist RFID Wallet. Next up is the Buffway Slim Minimalist Front Pocket RFID Blocking Wallet, a sleek and compact option designed for anyone who wants to carry essential cards without the bulk of a traditional wallet. See, the carbon fiber black version measures approximately 3 1/8 by 4 7/16 inches and just 1/9 inch thick, giving it a slim profile that fits comfortably in a front pocket. It also features 8 card slots, providing plenty of space for IDs, credit cards, debit cards, and membership cards. Security is another key feature. Buffway says the wallet uses RFID blocking technology to help protect compatible cards from unauthorized electronic scans. The wallet is made from faux leather with a carbon fiber style finish, giving it a modern look while keeping the design lightweight and minimalist. And number 2. SERMAN Brand's RFID Blocking Slim Bifold. Next up is the SERMAN Brand's RFID Blocking Slim Bifold, a minimalist genuine leather wallet designed for everyday carry while keeping your cards and cash neatly organized. The wallet features a slim bifold design made from full-grain leather and can hold around 6 to 8 cards plus cash. It also includes a quick-access pull tab, multiple card slots, an ID window, and a built-in money clip for bills. Security is another major highlight. SERMAN Brand says its RFID blocking technology is designed to block 13.56 MHz and higher RFID signals, helping protect compatible cards from unauthorized scans. The compact design is also well suited for front pocket carry, while the genuine leather construction gives it a more premium look and feel. Its slim profile helps reduce the bulk associated with traditional bifold wallets. And now, number 1. VULKIT Card Holder Wallet. Next up is the VULKIT Card Holder Wallet, a minimalist bifold wallet that combines quick access card storage, dual ID windows, and RFID/NFC blocking in a compact design. One of its biggest highlights is the pop-up card mechanism. A side button lets you quickly fan out up to 5 cards, while additional front, back, and interior slots bring the total capacity to up to 12 cards. The wallet also features 2 visible ID windows, making it easy to display identification without removing the card. An additional inner pocket provides room for folded bills, while the overall design keeps the wallet relatively compact for everyday carry. For added security, the VULKIT uses an aluminum RFID/NFC blocking structure designed to help shield compatible cards from unwanted wireless scans. The wallet weighs around 3.1 ounces and measures approximately 10 by 6.6 by 2 centimeters. Let me know in the comments which one you're picking up, and I'll catch you in the next video.